From Creamer Media in Johannesburg, this is the Real Economy Report. Life science and clinical research company Thermo Scientific, the Department of Health entity, the South African Medical Research Council, and the Department of Science, Technology and Innovation in July launched the Centre for Advanced Training and Innovative Research in Pretoria. Tasneem Bulbulia tells us more.
This is a dedicated training facility aimed at enhancing molecular science and laboratory management to further enhance essential scientific skills in country, supporting future pandemic preparedness and local health system resilience. Thermo Fisher Scientific Africa and Middle East Senior Director Masin Khoury expands.
This is a first of its kind center in Africa, where we will be training graduates from universities in molecular science, from basic molecular up to the state-of-the-art next generation sequencing. It's basically the training on molecular science, but we are looking at the graduates from another perspective. We want to give them a holistic training on how to operate a lab, how to manage a lab, how to look at the processes in the lab, how to look at the finances in the lab. How can we really make more with less? We know that the funding is short, and they need to understand how can they make more with less. Then you have the scientific part, which is hands-on molecular techniques and science. Why we are doing that? Because the problem is access. Many graduates, many scientists don't have access to newest technology. This center will offer them that opportunity. It's really about an ecosystem. We have seen during the pandemic that testing was centralized in main laboratories. We want to enable and train people to do it outside of the centers, first of all. Secondly, when you think about the drive to localize and manufacturing for vaccines and pharmaceuticals, the graduates will be able to feed into that industry as well. So we are preparing the next generation of scientists that will feed multiple sectors. Additionally, the center could be in the near future an incubator for innovators, and we are in discussions how to do it. We anticipate first cohort to start in October, November this year. We are in the process of building systems around it to endorse those participants, and we hope that this year we will train in the first cohort 20 graduates, but within a 12-month period, our capacity will be 160 graduates to go through the center. We have collaborations with the University of Venda, University of Limpopo, and Sefako Mahato Health Science University. Those are the first underserved communities and universities that we will be working with. Of course, we are evaluating other participants in the near future. The funding is basically split between the different parties, and that's something that is in progress. This idea started in 2023, where we got together with the government, with the SAMRC as well, and we discussed how could we really contribute as a private sector to the development of skills and to the National Health Master Plan. Ultimately, we have worked together on responsibilities and duties of each party. Where you can see this is the location of the SAMRC. We brought our expertise, we brought our technology and instrumentation. The location was chosen because our partner has offered this location, first of all, and if you look at our duties to CATIR for the students and the attendees, this is central location from a communications perspective, accommodation and so on. So this is why we have established the center here. We have plans and ambitions to duplicate this kind of initiative all over Africa, in French-speaking, English-speaking Africa first, to give access to the technologies as well as prepare the scientists for potentially future pandemic or future needs. That's one thing. Secondly, when we think about the CATIR Center, it's really about helping people and graduates to be within their communities, to give back to their communities, to develop as well within their communities. We are not in competition with any public sector. We are here complementing the trainings that they are getting at university and then giving them hands-on experience.
That's Creamer Media's Real Economy Report. Join us again next week for more news and insight into South Africa's real economy. And don't forget to listen to the audio version of our Engineering News daily email newsletter.